Hey, congratulations, your application is complete and your personal strategy session with me is scheduled. So now what are the points you need to remember before we jump into the strategy session? The first point is please go and check your email ID for auto confirmation of your appointment, so you save the date and time and book your calendar so you don't miss the strategy session. And if in case if you want to reschedule it, please reschedule it at least 12 hours before the scheduled time. The second point I want you to remember is please attend the session in a noise-free environment, and please check your internet connection so we don't have any kind of disturbance or disturbance or interference in between the 60 minutes of strategy session. The third point I want you to remember is please attend the session with the pen and note, so you take out immense value out of the session and you get exact blueprint how you can start with freelancing. And yes, at the last of the session, if we are a good fit, then yes, you can actually proceed with my mentorship program and you can enroll it later. The fourth point I want you to please click the link below and join my free WhatsApp group, which is absolutely free. And so you get all the latest updates on freelancing. I give you lots of value even over there, so you don't miss it. And please go and after joining the group, please go and check the description of the WhatsApp group, so you will get a link to the freelancing series of my YouTube videos, where you can actually go and binge watch all the videos and you get an more information about how you can start with freelancing. And the last point I want you to remember is yes, to attend the meeting on time. If you have not understood what my webinar was about, if you have watched the webinar in a kind of hurry, I want you to please go back and again watch the webinar. So it will never make sense, because if you don't understand the webinar. I hope that you have understood the webinar. That's why you have actually booked the call with me. And yes, I cannot wait to connect with you very soon. I'm very much excited for the strategy session, and yes, meet you inside the session. Thank you.